Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Chevy Malibu oil. First, gather your tools, including a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure your car is on a level surface and securely supported with jack stands. You will also need about 5 quarts of new engine oil and a new oil filter. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe oil change process from start to finish. Now, let's drain the old oil. Carefully slide under the front of your Malibu and locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using your 13mm wrench, loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Allow several minutes for all the old, dirty oil to completely drain from the engine. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. The oil filter is typically located on the side of the engine block. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove the old filter. Be aware that some residual oil will drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal and prevents leaks. Finally, let's add the new oil. Reinstall the drain plug, ensuring it's tight but not over-tightened, and use a new crush washer if available. Locate the oil fill cap on top of the engine and pour in approximately 5 quarts of the correct engine oil. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off. After a few minutes, check the oil level with the dipstick and look for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.